Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ayang. I'm broadcasting from Cambodia. Phnom Penh is the capital city of Cambodia. Today is 12:30 from Asian time and in Phnom Penh time, and I would like to do some update about the Bitcoin price from the market. And according to our review from the previous day and what is from my perspective about the Bitcoin today and with other cryptocurrency as well. Before jumping right to the Bitcoin analysis, I would like to take you back to uh, the Bitcoin cap, not the Bitcoin cap, the coin market cap, the coin market cap with the top 15, because I like to do the top 15, always do the comparable for the top 15. So from number one the Bitcoin until all the way to the 15th throne, it is we can see that all of them are green, and the winner today is the Bitcoin Cash. Oh my god, Bitcoin Cash today have a massive bull market. So I don't know about the other news yet about the Bitcoin Cash. I have to check out some. Is there any, like, want to see what is there any other factor that uh, make Bitcoin Cash come to this price? Oh yeah, this morning I read about the news that Bitcoin Cash released the new wallet, I mean the fastest wallet ever using Lightning Network, so that everyone use the app can they can really transfer the asset instantly. I think I have the apps here, but I haven't transferred the coin back into this app yet. So hopefully you can see. Yeah. Okay. This is the app, and this app allow you to buy and sell the Bitcoin Cash, not sell. Buying directly from your debit Visa card or credit card. I haven't tried yet, but as I know, the transaction on the wallet is pretty fast because it uses like a Lightning Network. Um, it should be mentioned here in the details here. That's why that's just one of the factor that it have, like it's just only one of the factor of this of 13% in the last 24 hours. Wait, I think there's some ways here. Okay, here. Yep. So this is the title. Bitcoin.com released the fastest ever wallet app with a built-in support for Bitcoin Cash Power token. So see the new Lightning Fast crypto wallet. Skip. Let me give you some update since we see it's already here. So and this is the first time that I am reading this because I only see the title, haven't read this through yet. So let me give you some update on this one, so we read in the same time together. A new Bitcoin.com wallet app has begun rolling out to iOS and Android mobile users, bringing millions of people the fastest client ever. Among the new update included in the mobile app focus on speed and instant pay, a feature which is a complete Bitcoin Cash payment in less than a second. Wow, this is pretty fast, making it faster than traditional payment method and other existing wallet. It's deliver a seamless payment experience through the apps, allowing users to complete transactions instantly at online and physical retailers that accepted Bitcoin Cash. To use the new feature, you simply need to set up a spending threshold. Okay, spending threshold in the apps before performing a transaction and test the Bitcoin payment can be completely instantly once the recipient QR code has been scanned. The increased speed should install more customers choosing BCH Bitcoin Cash as their preferred and choose of the payment. So the spending threshold, I think this is the nature of how we're going to use the Lightning Network. You have to deposit some amount of your Bitcoin Cash into into the node, so that whenever you transact, it will be running on the Lightning Network. Before it's a settlement, then you have to deposit some. Censorship resistant peer-to-peer cash is now lightning fast through our wallet app. Instant pay and all new wallet feature, which is exclusive to Bitcoin Cash, let you make payment in a split second. This is a Stephen Rush, the CEO of Bitcoin.com. These payments outspace Visa and MasterCard, making our wallet app faster than any other. I don't have any comment on that. In addition to speed, the new wallet app feature other new and improved functions, including the latter user manage Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin in one secure integrated platform, as well as allowing them to purchase Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash using a credit card. That is what I have mentioned a while ago. The apps also focus on personal customization, letting users tweak their account to their liking with new options. The developer have even introduced a personal node mechanism, which is allow user to append data into individual transaction. So this is, I think, it has in customizable like interface. If you have running your own node, that the apps could allow you to access, append data, read write data from your own node. On the privacy and security side, fingerprint identification and facial recognition are also now available to ensure that only the owner can access to the account. So this is what it has included in the app: facial recognition, fingerprint, and privacy. And customizable transaction speed setting have been introduced, which can be used to delay payment confirmation. The apps also feature and discover section, a new map interface that allows users to locate a nearby merchant that accepted Bitcoin Cash for payment, ensuring you can always find a place to spend Bitcoin Cash and encouraging more business to adopt the cryptocurrency. This is another very interesting feature. It already have before, but maybe they just improve on the accuracy. People those who are using the Bitcoin Cash and want to find the merchant who accepted the Bitcoin Cash, so when you use the app, you can really find it. I hope I can, because I use the Linux, I haven't find any tool that I can show my screen from the mobile phone and put it into the screen of the laptop. Then I can show my cash, so that I can share you how to review and how fast and what can you do on the Bitcoin wallet. Maybe someone of those who know how to do it, you can leave the link below. I have used it before, but it's not on Linux. It's only applicable for macOS and Windows. So I just don't use Windows for a while, then I couldn't use it anymore. Those who know, please let me know. Okay, let's continue. The new design of Bitcoin.com wallet make an entire experience easy for a new user. Corbin Fisher, the head of product of Bitcoin.com. Our design team spent a lot of time considering how to create the most beautiful Bitcoin wallet available on the market today. Your key to use SLP token ecosystem. Our development team has also been working around on the clock to bring a completely reimagined app experience that include SLP token, so that the Bitcoin Cash Empower token are now available in every wallet. With built-in token management support, user can spend, receive, and store a variety of tokens that represents any from dollar, pledge, stablecoin, virtual gaming asset, and company loyalty point, with the private key held only with the user. With an additional of SLP token support, the Bitcoin.com wallet app has become more than a place to store Bitcoin. And faster, you can now manage 1,000 of diverse digital assets on the app alongside with your cryptocurrency. Stay tuned for more game changing feature with coming too. So another feature in this is not, the SLP token is a protocol. SLP is a simple ledger protocol which is allow anyone who like to tokenize the asset or token their company vested share or the tokenization space then on the Bitcoin Cash ecosystem. So the app is built in with the wallet that will be support those tokens. So whenever you edit the token to your SLP wallet, then it will be displayed on the mobile app too. Simple Ledger Protocol is an easy to use, robust and extendable token management system that allows anyone to create a token on Bitcoin Cash network in a permissionless way. It has have the developer a lot of ecosystem for Bitcoin Cash that replicate a variety of ERC20 token on Ethereum network. SLP token can easily be created, traded, and managed on the Bitcoin Cash blockchain within a second, while costing user only a fraction of a penny of each transaction. All transactions are recorded on-chain, and custom token behavior can be defined using a Bitcoin script developing language. SLP token adoption has grown rapidly since being introduced in August 2018. This is a part of thanks to Bitcoin.com exchange, which has started listing SLP token for trading and on its platform. This include assets such as Geo Crypto. The symbol is GOC, a token that enables a merchant to accept the crypto payment and receive settlement in their local fiat currency, as well as an ACD, a token issued by the Tokyo-based NA, holding subsidiary Alliance Cargo Direct. Another recent release SLP token is a lead, an exclusive reward token you can earn by growing the Bitcoin Cash ecosystem. SLP report that also been added by Cibao, a cybersecurity firm providing a private key management service to some of the biggest exchange in the world. In total, more than 6,000 tokens have been created using SLP framework so far. So this is a lot. Just a token alone. We don't know how many people who hold those 6,000 yet number who using those tokens, and I couldn't imagine how many transactions across those chains on chain as well. Last month, Bitcoin.com released the open source SLP indexer server for validating token and to make SLP transaction perform as fast as a BCH, empower developer to create even greater project on Bitcoin Cash network. And the Bitcoin.com wallet is free to download for the Android and iOS. So if you want to download, you just go to App Store and or iOS Store and finding like a Bitcoin.com, and then it should be display this kind of wallet. This is how it looks like. So I hope you can do it by your own experimenting it. Believe me, this is not complicated. It's more simple than your other mobile app, even your taxi app, your Uber maybe, or your banking application. This is easier, believe me. If you don't Believe me, you try it and share your thought in comment below. That's it. So we update the Bitcoin, we update the new about the Bitcoin Cash. So this is not this is just only one small reason why Bitcoin Cash have a massive bull market today, and it's reached 430 in USD. This is a very huge, more than 10% is huge for me. Okay, then now what's happened to the Bitcoin market? This is okay. If you see my previous video, you will see this correlation from our previous video, what we used to predict on the Bitcoin and USD's market price. As I still on my word that Bitcoin going to the bullish market is still have other second resistance level to see, because the gap from here to, I mean, oh wait, give me the how can I use this? The gap from here to there is how many percent? Yeah, because we still need to see how Bitcoin going to grow from this market to the second resistance. If it could break this, I believe that is the sign, I mean, that we can consider that it really in a bull market. But as our first test in prediction, this is I need to highlight this so that, so as you can see, this area we have mentioned a while ago is it is a very dangerous zone, because like this is a 1 day candlestick, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It take one whole week to show that it have to grow, I mean, going past the resistance, and or it have to go down to the supporting level, as we have project that if it come to this level, it did that is the entering point, I mean, that I have to gather all some asset and divert it into Bitcoin. But since both sides, this is still need to wait, because this is the second test, this is the second resistance, as I have always mentioned about it. When it's break that one, it is the second sign that Bitcoin have to go to like the bullish market. So this is still pretty new, nothing can be confirmed yet, but as you can see today, Bitcoin has going to almost close to 9,000, and then it pump up into 9,600. So if we break it more smaller into 4 hours, so it's like the last 8 hours it has been uptrend for Bitcoin, you can see here. But if you see, if we check at the volume here, the volume is still small, even though Bitcoin going very high, not too high, I mean, even though this Bitcoin is going high, but the volume is still low compared to the previous uptrend. So nothing could be confirmed yet, but congratulations Bitcoin for today with the, let's say it's 4% grow in the market. This could be lead because there are a lot of news out there that giving a positive about Bitcoin. So this could be some of the measure can lead Bitcoin to at this price. Once again, I still proclaim, but even I don't have to ask you to believe what I said, that Bitcoin is not going to like 20,000 very soon as our prediction, that we have to wait for the second bullish signal. When it's past here, then that is the time that we have to think about or preach about the Bitcoin bullish market. For now, thank you so much for your watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let me know your idea and your thought about this video or about Bitcoin or whatever you want me to talk about related about the blockchain and cryptocurrency. Just leave your comment below. I will be happy to do it for you. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next video.